Question C, we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by the lowest common denominator, which is going to be 15. So we're going to multiply the left side. So 15 times 2a over 3 is equal to 15 times 3a over 5 plus, and we have to multiply the 4 by 15 as well. So we have to distribute the 15 through the right-hand side of the equation. So when we simplify here, 3 goes into itself once and into 15 5 times, and 5 goes into itself once and into 15 3 times. And we end up with 5 times 2a is 10a is equal to 3 times 3a is 9a, and it's plus 60. All we have to do is subtract 9a from both sides, and you're left with a is equal to 60. Right, the next one, lowest common denominator for 3 and 4 is 12. So we're going to multiply everything on both sides by 12. So 12 times 2 over 3x plus, and it'd be 12 times 9 is equal to 12 times 3 over 4 x minus 12 times 6. And again, we simplify, so 3 goes into itself once and into 12 4 times, and 4 into itself once and into 12 3 times. So the next line will be 4 times 2x is 8x plus 12 nines is 108 is equal to 9x minus 12 sixes is 72. Now we can do a couple things here. Easiest thing to do would be to subtract 8x from both sides. And when we do that, the right side I'm going to put that on the left side. So 9x subtract 8x is just x minus 72 is equal to 8x minus 8x is 0 plus 108 is 108. So now we just add 72 to both sides. 72 to both sides. And we end up with x is equal to 180. All right, the next one, E, I'll put here. So lowest common denominator is going to be 6. So it'd be 6 times 5x over 2 minus 6 times 3 is equal to 6 times 8 plus 6 times 2x over 3. All right, and the 3's cancel out here, so this is 2, and 2 cancels out to be 3. So we end up with 15x minus 18 is equal to 48 plus, and it's 2x times, 2 times 2x is 4x. We'll subtract 4x from both sides. And we get 11x minus 18 is equal to 48. Add 18 to both sides. and you get 11x is equal to 66. Divide both sides by 11, and you get x equals 6. And the last question in 4. So this is F. Lowest common denominator for 3, 4, and 2 is 12. So it'd be 12 times 5 minus 12 times 4 over 3x equals 12 times 3 over 4x plus 12 times 5 over 2. So 3 goes into itself once and into 12 4 times. 4 goes into itself once and into 12 3 times. And 2 goes into itself once and into 12 6 times. So when we multiply this out, it is 60 minus, and it's 4 times 4x, so minus 16x, and watch your sign because this is minus 4, so negative 4 times 4x is negative 16x, or minus 16x, and 3 times 3x is 9x, plus, and it's 6 times 5 is 30. Next thing we need to do is we'll subtract 9x from both sides. And in fact, we could actually add 16x to both sides. That would probably be the easiest. So that's 16x to both sides. And we end up with 9x plus 16x is 25x plus 30 is equal to 60. Subtract 30 from both sides, and we end up with 25x is equal to 30. Divide both sides by 25, and we get x is equal to 30 over 25 reduces because 5 divides into both evenly, so 6 over 5 when it's in lowest terms.